If you are watching this, please subscribe or I will come to your house and Here's my box. Sige, and write that. Oh. The title will be with my best friend Julie. What? What is that? Okay, kalau yun nih. Precious stuff. My hand is so wet. I can understand what I'm reading in English. No, baby, no, so sad, that's not real. I got the book already. Oh, you tried to copy my knowledge. I know this easy. Just like this. Puri-puri na lang. I'm gonna do a blank. Blank. No. I'm gonna cut this. Wait. You copy that out, I will make something. My best friend doesn't know how to do it. Yes. What grade? Fine. Ouch, grade. What the heck was it? Lemon. Got this now. I'm gonna make this into art using a scissor. I wanna do the princess. I have only two, but my sister's at the end. It looks like a poop. What am I doing? You're a blogger. But I'm a doctor, blogger. Doctor blogger? Yep. Wow, so nice. It looks like a tsunami coming, or seahorse. Where's your seahorse? Oh, God, I literally am. Wait, go down. Well, not yet. I'm still in grade 3. I'm not an artist. It looks like I bit like this. But I don't have any money. It looks like a seahorse. YouTube is expensive. Seahorse? What? Junami is currently a good student with project. I am so sad. By using a hand. It looks like a horse. Wait. Wait a minute. No,